I used to listen to English every single day. Podcasts, movies, YouTube. But when I try to talk to someone in real life, my brain just shut down. I couldn't catch anything. My ears heard the words, but they didn't mean anything. That's when I realized something no one ever told me. The most important listening skills aren't what they teach in class. They're the invisible ones, and they make all the difference. Today, I'll share 5 listening skills no one teaches you, plus one powerful bonus that will finally help you understand fast English, feel calm in conversations, and connect like a real speaker. If today's video gives you something new, a quick follow helps this channel grow and helps me keep sharing more useful tips. In class, they teach us how to fill in blanks. They teach us what's the past tense of eat, but they don't teach you how to survive in a noisy cafe or understand someone whispering fast English on the phone. That gap between classroom English and real life English, it feels like a canyon. But here's the secret. Real listening isn't about hearing every word. It's about what your brain does with the sound. So let's train your brain. I call this the Real Listening Framework. PGSDIC plus C. Each letter stands for a hidden skill fluent people use without even knowing. All right, let's get started with the first skill. Skill 1, predict P. Listening begins before the sound. You already do this in your language. Someone walks into your room with a worried face. You're already guessing what they'll say. In English, your brain can do the same. Before you press play on a video, ask, what do I think this is about? What 3 words might come up? This 15-second habit gets your brain ready. It's not passive listening, it's predictive listening. Try it now. Pause this video, guess 3 words you'll hear next. Then see if you were right. Skill 2, gist, G. Let go of every word. Here's a secret fluent people don't tell you. We don't understand every word either. We don't need to. We're listening for the core message. Example, you hear traffic jam, late, angry, boss. You instantly get the story. But if you stop every second to translate, you'll miss everything. Train this. Watch a video, don't pause, don't translate. At the end, ask, what was that basically about? That's just listening, and it's powerful. Skill 3, signposts, S. Listen for the map, not the words. Ever felt lost in a long explanation? There were clues. You just didn't hear them. Words like first of all. But here's the twist. In summary, these are verbal signposts. They guide your ears like Google Maps. In podcasts, lectures, or stories, note every signpost. You'll understand more with less effort. Skill 4, detail mode, D, zoom in when it matters. Wait, didn't I say don't listen for every word? Yes, but sometimes you must. If someone says, meet me at 3:45 at exit B, the one near Starbucks, you need to catch every single word. This is called switching to detail mode. Most learners stay in panic mode, trying to catch everything all the time. That's exhausting. So, here's the fix. Before listening, ask, do I need the big idea or the small details? Give your brain a mission. It will obey. Skill 5, intention 1, hearing what isn't said.
Wow, great job.
Is that a compliment or sarcasm?
Words can lie. Tone never does. This is emotional listening, understanding intention. Listen for tone, rhythm, and energy. What's the feeling behind the phrase? Train this with reality shows, vlogs, or arguments on TikTok. Pause and ask, are they joking, frustrated, secretly angry? What's really going on under the words? This is the skill that makes you not just fluent, but human. Bonus skill, chameleon listening. This is a skill even native speakers don't know they use. It's the art of adjusting your listening style based on the speaker. If someone predicts what's coming, you use predict mode. If someone talks fast, you shift to gist mode. If someone gives instructions, zoom into detail mode. If someone explains step by step, follow the signposts. If someone speaks emotionally, switch to intonation focus. We call this chameleon listening, adapting like a language ninja. And the more flexible you get, the more fluent you sound. Try this in your next video. Switch styles 3 times in one video. Predict, gist, signposts, detail, intention. Welcome to Real World Listening. Let's recap our real listening framework, PGSDIC+C. Predict what you'll hear, focus on the gist, not every word, catch the signposts, zoom into details when needed, read the intention behind tone, and master the chameleon style of listening. These are the listening skills no one teaches you, but every fluent speaker uses. If this video gave you that aha moment, hit like and subscribe to From Me to English. Thanks for being part of the From Me to English family. May every day of your English practice feel like a small, steady step forward, and may your heart stay full of inspiration.